Stop saving money. Yes, you heard that right. Because the truth is, saving money won't make you rich. You've been told since childhood. Save for the future, cut your spending, keep your money safe in the bank. But here's the harsh truth: your savings are quietly losing value every single day. Inflation eats it. Bank interest can't catch up. And while you're saving, someone else is investing, learning, and multiplying. So today, let's talk about why saving money might actually be the slowest way to stay broke, and what you should be doing instead. People save money because they want to feel safe. A little cash in the bank gives comfort, like a safety net. But safety isn't the same as progress. Think about it. If your money sits in a savings account earning 2% interest, and inflation is 10%, you're not saving, you're losing 8% of your value every year. It's like filling a bucket with holes. You keep pouring water, but it keeps dripping away. Money doesn't grow by sitting still, it grows by moving. The rich know this. They don't save money, they move it. Into assets, into businesses, into knowledge. The middle class saves for comfort. The wealthy invest for freedom. Here's the real trap: saving money creates a scarcity mindset. You start thinking small. How can I spend less? Instead of, how can I earn more? Saving is about defense. Investing is about offense. And if all you play is defense, you'll never score. Of course, saving has its place, for emergencies, short-term goals, or stability. But if all your energy goes into saving and cutting costs, you'll never build wealth. Because you can't shrink your way to success. You can only grow your way there. Let's look at how the rich actually think. They don't hoard cash, they build systems that produce cash. They buy assets, things that make money while they sleep. Real estate, stocks, businesses, digital assets, skills. They focus on cash flow, not just savings. They use money as a tool, not a treasure chest. When they get money, they ask, how can I make this multiply? Not, how can I protect it forever? And here's the irony: when you start thinking like that, you actually end up with more security. Because your income doesn't depend on one paycheck, it depends on your skills, systems, and assets. So if saving money isn't the answer, what should you do instead? 1. Build an emergency fund, enough for 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's your safety net. 2. Invest in yourself first, learn skills that increase your earning power. 3. Start small investments, stocks, mutual funds, side hustles, online businesses. 4. Create multiple income streams. Stop asking, how can I save more? Start asking, how can I make more? Every dollar should have a job, to grow, build, or free you. Not just to sit there collecting dust. So yes, stop just saving money. Use your money with purpose. Use it to create, to learn, to multiply. Because the goal isn't to die with a fat savings account. The goal is to live with freedom, options, and impact. Remember, saving keeps you safe. Investing sets you free. Now ask yourself, is your money working for you, or are you just working for your money?